Every time I play, I hate myself more and more.
Welcome back to Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Today we're doing the Scuffed Special Cup. Rainbow Road does not exist. I pretend I do not see.
What a shame.
What a shame.
Is everyone back?
Yes, sir.
I hope so.
I know, is Cordell?
Yeah. He's just muted on chat.
Yeah, he is
Oh,
typing or saying what a shame. Frantic items, let's go.
Alright.
Yes.
I think
Dolphin Shoals
I think
is
a
our
good
go-to.
time
Oh, yes.
by the way, a good
Dolphin
time to switch to teams is we could just like the whole bottom row of teams or something like that.
That works.
Okay.
That way half of them are solo, half of them are team.
Yeah,
I
Star
clicked
mentioned
Dolphin
earlier.
Shoals. We all did. Cool.
Star, you forget that
Oh,
I
man,
don't
Alex,
read.
you gotta do Dolphin Shoals, brother.
Star Cup Dolphin Shoals.
It's third cup, second one.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. That's going to be the only one we do from Star Cup for this one because we went
You
out of
know,
order in the previous
It's also the
Ravers-
reverse Ravers.
Someone!
Yeah, I was like, Ravers, unfortunately that's correct, but it's not even like I'm trying to do that intentionally. There's been like
Alright.
4 or 5 times this past week where I've said something that he has said like an hour ago or a day ago, and I just don't realize it.
All right.
Sometimes
hey.
10 minutes ago.
You guys like jazz?
It's
You
fine.
like jazz?
Are we all different characters?
Say it like my
Maybe,
Lord and
I
Savior,
hope so.
Barry B. Benson.
He's a me.
Yes, I am myself.
I think everyone is a different character. I'm in 12th, so I can see everyone. Yeah, we're all different characters.
Ew, dude. All right, I'm about to switch.
Did you hear the me?
Yes.
Did he sound like?
No, dude he said, "Whoo!"
Oh, because maybe he's like a different weight class.
That's fucking dumb.
You're gonna have to hear it every time you boost, Amy.
God damn it, man.
Oh no, don't do tricks.
I can't, dude. It's in my soul.
In your blood.
Oh god, there's someone eating a fucking wall. It's Toadette.
Oh no, no,
Maybe
blue
remember
shell
last
already.
night I was like, I'm not
Oh,
doing totem.
Oh god.
Hey, the only person I hit with my green shell was me.
Yeah,
I almost hit you though.
I know.
Brandon, you're
I was
mine.
dodging that.
No, I'm
Stay away from me.
Oh. Go back to your juice boxes, man.
There's not enough.
I can't look at the map, dude. Amy's big mug is taking up. Look at him, he's like, I'm coming. He's right on my
Bean,
tail.
thank you for that fire hit. That put me in a strong
No!
phase.
Oh my god.
Oh, you like that wall, Brando?
It doesn't taste good.
Oh, come
like
on.
that
I just got here, man.
The same spot that Kyle hit.
Mine!
I got a communication error.
Oh no!
no.
Oh no!
Out of the race. Hopefully you can get back into the next race.
No.
Brando.
Oh.
Alex, you were
Alright.
first?
No! I used my star a second too late.
Alright, who DDoSed Alex? Who wanted first?
What Brando? What Brando?
That'd have been Kyle. He's the one that's in first right now.
I fell off the field.
I'm too busy winning.
I don't think I'm gonna
Sorry.
catch up,
Oh,
dude.
oh my god, what is happening? Take this. Dude, there's way too many people here on the last lap.
Ah,
So
Used to
proud.
this
finally!
service, there's too many people.
Let's go!
Shortcut.
Bro.
Someone eat this.
Yeah! No! Okay.
Watch
You
out.
didn't hit me with it, but I almost got 4.
I was in
I
front of
just got
Brando, then he was in front of
completely
me.
destroyed at the end.
Did you hear me, Star? Did you hear my kick?
Hey, Brendan.
Yo,
Remember when you hit a toadette and I ate a wall?
and then I ate a wall.
I'll remember that.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay, so now we're doing Cloud
Okay.
Top Cruise.
Yes,
Are we
sir.
in the fourth one? We're gonna do Cloud Top Cruise, first track of the special cup.
Yes. Let's go.
Absolutely
such a pretty
destroyed.
crown.
Which one's the special cup?
It's
The crown.
Spooky face.
Oh. Oh, okay, there it is.
Yes, sir. Bean
Take
was
the
like in
fact-
fifth, and then she got hit like 50 times in, Mario Kart things.
After every race, I'll just put a big there, fact, and I make it from the top of my mind.
I'm just gonna.
Oh,
Oh
no.
gosh.
How do you report this? Can you report this? Alright, let's see.
He's crazy.
That's pretty funny.
You meme too hard for your own good.
One day it'll catch up to
Okay,
you.
that wasn't my
Yeah.
emote. Did
Who
Star do that?
reacted to that with an egg?
Yeah, I knew it was Star.
I want names.
This map is iconic now.
Can I beat the ticker? Can I beat it? I did. We're good.
Nice.
I love it. Except for when you get zappies out.
Oh, you bumped me off.
I'll take that item. Thank you.
I'm in a 12 now.
Welcome to my life.
God, dude, I can't stand listening to myself.
You should have swung.
I don't know. Actually, what? How did that hit me? Hello?
You were right behind me. Yeah, I think you ran into it. I
Oh, hey,
didn't
Star, I
launch
see
it.
you join me. Oh, that is lightning.
Oh, Brando, I thought you were gonna hit that for sure.
Gotta catch up to that baby.
I don't like
Sorry,
you.
brother.
No bullying the baby.
Baby Luigi, if you would have any
The
item
baby?
on your app, what's the item you have?
Oh, bubble
Baby,
boy.
sorry.
Defenseless by
How
every
did
Don't
you
throw
do
your
that,
fireballs backwards,
B-Tunes?
please.
I say that every single day.
Right.
Oh, you're a little too far ahead for my lesson. After this starts.
Dude,
bad.
oh my word, I'm getting railed.
Oh damn it.
Oh, thanks, Logan, I appreciate that.
I got multiple memes in the lobby now. I see two grumpy faces.
Oh, hey, Star, what's up?
You almost got hit there, Brando.
Twice in a row. Like,
Oh, 12 never looked so good on me.
Kyle.
Oh, damn it.
Oh,
No, I
the
meant to
bomb
hold
hit
it.
me.
No. Yes. I meant to hold it. Itchy
Kyle,
eye.
there's a birthday party
No,
coming your way.
dude, I was going too fast.
I would have been so mad if that was the final lap. I got hit in front of the finish line. Those-
How many? Stop!
Oh!
I wish I knew what a bullet bill was.
I'm in last! I was in second the entire
Oh,
race.
man. Damn it.
Yeah, Brando was in second the entire race. This is a close race, so I'm kind of scared.
Everyone is right here, dude.
Not being good.
Ah,
I'm scared to look.
die.
Do not press that button, dude.
Oh my god, Kyle, why are you back here?
You've got to be kidding me!
Kyle and I were top two the
Okay,
entire
we're fine. I got pushed
race.
forward.
Let's go, the snipe!
No way,
The bomb
dude.
snipe, please! Oh my god, there's no way I just won that.
You were just
No.
dripping the finish line and lose
I was in first, I'm in seventh.
Dude,
Oh, no.
dude.
Come on.
Oh,
You're in fourth. What do you mean?
How did that happen?
God.
If you win again.
Let's go somehow.
My god.
God. Stop.
That was the closest race we had yet.
Oh, Kyle and
I
I
am
was
asking
close.
you once again to
and then we
stop.
both fell to the bottom of the ladder.
We're going Mies? Okay, we're going Mies.
I'm not.
Alright, I
picking
have
me.
bad news, everyone. We gotta go to the special cup, Bone Dry Dunes. It's my least favorite.
Oh yeah, this map sucks. My least
Yeah, it
favorite in the
does
game
suck.
too.
Sorry if anyone
Oh,
likes
choose me.
Bone dry?
Yeah, Bone Dry. I don't know, just something about this one is.
Yeah.
A lot of
Actually, I
weird
think I'm fine
turns.
with this one.
Yeah, I agree, Kyle. The turns are like kind of wackadoodle.
Especially when it prongs into two, to go on the glidey ones. Like
Yeah.
that first one, you cannot turn on.
The left path with the bone piranhas is awful.
Oh yeah.
Matt, are you trying
Alright.
to do a meme before every race?
Here we go.
Trying to get screwed over again.
Here we go. My favorite.
Oh, I see a
Oh,
bunch of
boy,
me's
the baby.
behind me now.
All of your beautiful faces from last place.
How do you look behind you?
X.
Walk. Yeah.
Or
Oh,
Yeah,
Y?
X. X.
I think
He's actually holding her reverse for 3 seconds. It's like a permanent camera. It's just like-
Imagine
Nice
driving like a full thing
Ah,
just
shit.
in reverse vision.
Oh my
Rear
god.
view
that would
mirror.
be fun.
That's Mario Kart 9.
Yeah, I got bad.
No, it's Mario Kart X.
You recently just got the game waivers. This level's kind of poopy caca.
Yeah, this is a rough. This is a very rough
Oh,
map.
man.
Especially the split.
Don't take that, please. Thank you, Kyle.
Hi, Avy. Pick what?
The doubles.
Trying to live. Are more people playing as their me?
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm
What
me.
in the world am I playing as me?
Maybe. Oh,
You don't remember when you said you were gonna remember the thing after I remembered it? Just kidding.
Nope.
It was just a prank.
Nope.
Dude, hello? Thank
No.
you. What?
I need to.
You never hit me.
Oh, I hit you directly on my screen. Oh,
Not
well.
on my screen.
that happened to me
Special
earlier.
cup is not for me.
That time I got you. Ah, and I also fucked up.
The drift.
No!
Yeah, guys. That's what you get.
Yes.
Well, that guy was really good. Alex, how did that happen?
Yo, actually, I'm surprised there haven't been any boos. Oh, I just got one.
Oh, you know what, dude? I think it's because the terrain in this level is garbage, so it messes with your track.
Probably.
Oh, come on,
Just
not
like barely any
again.
regular road.
Yo, let's go,
It's like the
dude.
lightning.
Or not
Okay, good.
in the middle of doing a
Oh,
shortcut.
the lightning
that's
actually
on
helped.
the same.
I think Logan used the bullet bill right before the lightning, and he just got
Yeah.
like 4th place.
I did not mean to fucking use that.
Oh, probably.
Oh, whoever took my golden
man.
mushroom, I really hope you enjoy your day.
Oh no, no, no.
Oh, let's go.
I am. Thank
No!
go.
Get on that wall. Get on that wall.
Dude, I fucked up.
Stay down there.
Let's go.
Why I'm already passing you, brother.
Backwards.
You dumb baby.
in 10th place.
Logan,
Alright.
tell me why you're throwing your green shells backwards in 6th place. Please tell me. Why did you think that was okay?
Sorry, I had to do it to him.
Let's go.
Hey,
I'm
guys,
fucking
well,
ultimate dodger, dude.
No! Come on!
I gotta maintain
I
my
trade my 10th place
AV.
spot if anybody
Oh
wants.
gosh, I
Oh
just
my
screwed
God.
myself. I just screwed myself. I could've got-
Why did I fall off earlier?
Yeah, if you didn't fall, I probably would have won.
God.
I maintain my top 3 again.
Every time I play, I hate myself more and more.
Forgot that my Mii's name's Laura.
Yeah, I got distracted by that and I drove off the end at the beginning. I was like,
Okay,
"Oh,
Bowser's Castle.
Let's go.
Bowser
I love this
Castle
map.
Special Cup again.
What's the one I mean for me to post?
This one's got some banging tunes.
Which one are we doing?
Special
Bowser's
Cup
Castle.
Bowser's Castle. Awesome. Yeah, I know this is a good 1-star. One of my favorite Bowser castles.
I don't know why I like BC3 a lot.
All from the GBA, but came back on the Wii.
Yeah. I don't know why I like it so much.
Wow, look, we picked your course.
My
I
phone
know.
fell. Uh-oh. Put my camera up.
Remember a year ago, Matt? We got all these. It was like this, but whatchamacallit? Excitey bikes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I just noticed we're uneven now. We have a 7th Canadian.
Oh.
We're taking
We will steal one of you when it comes time for teams.
Unfortunately.
Remember, I'll just
Closer
change
to
my
the border.
VPN and I'll
I
switch,
have
yeah.
to be the Canadian captain. I'm not moving over.
Dude.
Oh
Hi.
my god, dude. I don't like starting in first.
Brandon.
I don't like starting.
What?
Watch out for
Brando just hit the brakes quickly.
Oh my god, I hit a shell.
Oh, I hit Bowser's fist. We're okay.
Bowser's fist. The people with Bowser's feet.
Oh, Matt.
The Bowser
Well, that
ball.
hurt.
I can know my IRL friends because
You're funny sometimes.
they're
You're more funny than I am.
Oh
Nice
no, it's
try.
laughing at your joke and you still haven't cashed at me that money you were talking about for laughing at your jokes.
I gotta. Matt.
I mean, subscribe to French Rain.
Damn.
We have 41 today, so someone else subscribed to us.
I was your boy Alex right
Let's go.
There he is.
here. I
Eat that.
was in first once upon a time.
It was out of nowhere. At no time to
Now
respond.
I am sitting in 11.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bowser, no. Gotta leave me alone.
No, man, stop stealing my shit.
Oh my god, Bowser's.
Bowser about to punch you
Gas
guys.
keeps
Yeah.
stealing your shit.
Bro, the next game,
Where's
they're
my
gonna have a
shroom,
Bowser
dude?
fist, but it's gonna be such a class. He's gonna go Falcon.
How did you get so far ahead?
1, 2, Brad.
That's a good question, honestly.
Ah!
I am just chilling. At
Come
the
on!
It's probably the power of the afro.
Last race of the cup.
This man just
There you
did
go,
all the
blue
shell.
shell.
Damn it.
God, oh my god.
You guys said that at
Every
the same time.
every time I'm so close to
Just
stopping.
God.
Dude, I just got wailed, man.
Why do I
Fuck
keep
off!
doing shit?
Here, let me go in front, Roy, so I can use these red shells.
Dude! Please. I've had enough.
I'm sorry, you made it to it. No, I chose the wrong bow wow path. Please don't hurt me.
Hey, dude.
You can like barely clip that.
Hello.
How'd you get back here?
Are you guys lucky?
You know, I just got wombo comboed. Nothing new. That's
I
fine.
know,
I'm about to catch up right now.
Oh no. Rare Luke W.
Oh!
We did it. We're
I'll
in
take
here.
this.
Oh my god.
Oh
Ooh.
my god.
I hate everything.
From
I'll take that.
3rd to 6th because of that banana in front of the finish line.
Dude, 1 nana is all it takes.
Oh, every time.
Oh man. There's 2 roses.
Hey, just a second. Let's go.
I'll take 3rd.
Ah.
Man.
Oh, I gotta use this as a picture in the back.
Oh man. Luke, you got top 3 again.
Yes, I got first place in the last race. So it carried me.
You have to screw me over with the red shells.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to go for. I'm glad it worked.
I sent 1 at AB and I got hit with 2.
And I await your revenge in the next cup.
We'll keep going down the line so we can do the first DLC one next.
Okay.
I believe it's the egg cup?
I don't know.
Egg.
Well, we'll see you back.
Big.
See you later, brothers.
See you later.